everyone, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, I am doing a fall centerpiece. This centerpiece is going to be really simple, really easy, and really fun. It's always fun for me to do centerpieces, even if they're really simple. So this is going to be a really quick tutorial. So you guys know I love making centerpieces. I do it for Christmas and Thanksgiving. So now I decided to do a fall one since I'm in the spirit. So I went to Walmart today and I found these. I was actually looking for like a reddish or maybe a brownish tone for these, and I bought some last year. I can't remember if I used them all, so I just went and bought this one today. But I really would have loved to have like a brown tone or like a gold tone, but this is all they had, so this is what I'm going to use. And as I showed you from the haul the other day, I'm using this glass vase, vase, however you want to say it. These lovely fall flowers, and I think my acorn or something fell off. But I'm using these leaves and flowers and this little cherry blossom or whatever it is that I'll be using these rocks and possibly one of these. And I said that these were ribbon. Oh, they are ribbon. It kind of looked like tulle a little bit to me, but I'll be using one of these, if not two of these. So let's get started. Okay, so what I'm first going to do is to put some rocks in here just to see how it's going to look with the rocks in, and that will determine whether I use ribbon or if I'm going to use these rhinestones. And I'm not pouring them all in. I figure it's easier and safer for me to just hand place them in here. So I may put a little bit more, maybe some smaller ones. Now for me, I don't want to fill this all the way up. I just want to put these rocks in here. Okay, and that's enough for my liking. Just put some more of these little ones in. Okay, so I like that. That's good enough for me. So I think, let's see, because I really don't know how I want this. I really don't. Now for me guys, and some of you have the ability to plan ahead like how you expect something to look. I don't really. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Mainly I don't. I just go with the flow and see what looks good, and if it doesn't look good, then I fix it. So I'm going to tear a sheet off of here, and see, this is the one thing that I like about these little rhinestones is that they come off in one long strip, and they already have this sticky stuff on the back. As you can tell, my fingers are kind of sticking. So what I'm going to want to do is just put this around the little bit above what I consider to be the middle. And as you can see, as you're looking at it right now, or just for my eyesight, is that this would have looked so much better if it was a different color, like a reddish or like a gold tone. And it's not even, but the good thing is you can just slip these up. But whatever. So I think I'm going to put another row, and I'm just going to leave the little pieces for another project. I'm going to put this one below it, as it looks like it will look better below it. And this takes out all the hassle of you having to glue it or whatever you may need to do using the hand place like I used to do. For those of you who are new, I used to hand place my rhinestones on for specific projects, and it took a lot of time, but for aesthetics, it was always better for me to do that. But like with centerpieces, I really don't mind using stuff like this because I'm always doing a new centerpiece every year, and this is so not even, and I am just not caring today. I really don't, guys. Okay, so I think about three or four will be enough, I think. Yeah. And it's so not even. This is so awful, but whatever. It is what it is, right? And I'm just gonna play around with it though a little bit. I'll try to get it looking a little bit more even. So this is just me, and you know, it's been a long time since I've been down here, so my vision of how I do things is kind of off. So I actually like that, but because I'm a numbers girl, I'm gonna put another row to make it even. So don't judge me, guys. I have my things, you guys have your things. Don't judge. Oh gosh, I love it down here. I love being down here creating little simple things. Okay, yeah, this looks good to me. 4 is the number for me. So the next thing we're gonna do is put the flowers in and set this bad boy on my table. And that is going to be that. So you see what I mean? Everything doesn't have to take a ton of time to create. You can create something that looks really nice out of just a few minutes. So I'm gonna start sticking these in here, and I didn't even realize that some of these are missing leaves. Somebody must have just like been swiping stuff off, but anyway, I'm still gonna use them and just kind of set these in here. Oh, I love these. So pretty. And don't mind that, that's my humidifier. So I hope you can hear me, for those of you who are watching my old videos and you hate the noise. Sorry. So sorry. I probably should have got a bigger vase, but I thought for just a fall one to take us into, you know, Thanksgiving, I'll probably redo another one for Thanksgiving. Anyways, so yeah, and just kind of spread things around and just put these leaves on this side to give it more of a nicer look. And there we go. I think I may put some more rhinestones or ribbon, I don't know, or maybe some more rocks. Yeah, more rocks. Now that I have all the flowers in here and I'm looking, I think I want more rocks to kind of cover the stems a little bit. I'm just going to move things around to kind of make it look a little fuller, a little better. So when it sits on my table, it looks how I want it to look, you know. And let's put that little acorn right there in the center. And there we have it. There is our fall centerpiece. Like I said, it's really simple, really easy. I got all these little items from the Dollar Tree, minus the stick-on rhinestones that I got from Walmart. We'll get a better look at the top of it, but that's it. I may just have to rearrange things just a little bit more, but for me, I think it looks nice. It's different than the one I made for Thanksgiving, so it gives me a different feel for my table, along with the brown placemats that I did from my Dollar Tree haul earlier this week will go really nice on my table, and I could save that ribbon for my Thanksgiving centerpiece. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you do, share it. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers so that I can do a huge giveaway. I really want to do a really nice, really huge giveaway for when I reach 10,000. I know it's not a lot, but for me it means the world, because it means that you guys actually like me and you like what I'm doing. So that would mean a lot to me, for me to do a giveaway for you guys once I reach 10,000. So again, if you are new and you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you check out my social media, which is all listed below in the description. Check me out mainly on Instagram. I don't use Snapchat that much anymore. I am on there sometimes when I'm bored, but not a lot. I normally use Instagram. Check out my Insta stories if you want to keep up with me and what I'm doing with my family. I post that mainly on Insta stories and Instagram as well as Facebook sometimes. So, and don't forget to check out my websites along with the link to my book. And yeah, I like this fall centerpiece. I hope you like it again. Make sure you click the bell so you get notified every time I upload, and I will see you Friday. Bye.